Hey guys, my name is Jenny and I'm a DIY blogger. I recently dyed my hair blue. It's semi-permanent. I actually got it from Sephora for like $12 and I'll link it down below if you want it. It works really good and it's really conditioning. As you can see, my hair is in really good shape, but it's very, very blue. And while I love it, I want it lighter. So in this video, I'm going to try to lighten it and see what happens. I have not tried this method before. My mom's a hairstylist and she's never heard of using vitamin C tablets to lighten your hair, but it's all over the internet, so why not? I have my vitamin C tablets right here, all crushed up, and I'll insert the clip of me smashing them now. Alright, so once you have your vitamin C tablets all smashed up in a bowl, you're going to add some dandruff shampoo. So I'm just going to pour this into there. And this would help if you have an actual bowl and brush that hairstylists use to mix it all up, but you don't need that. I'm just using what I have on hand. A makeup brush actually. Swirling it around. And as with anything, whether you're painting or baking, I guess, it's best to make too much and not enough. So make sure you have a good amount. Now that it is all good and mixed up, we apply it to our hair. This was one of two ways I wanted to try. If this doesn't work, then I'm going to try another way. But it looks pretty promising. I don't know how it looks pretty promising, but optimism, right? Alright, now so once it is completely covered, we're going to put a plastic bag around it. And the reason that you want to do this is so when it's sitting, it doesn't drip all over your face. Alright, once it's in the bag, we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to hop into the shower and rinse. Okay, I don't think that did anything. I still look like blue Kool-Aid. We're gonna try another thing. Alright, so I have my bowl. And I'm gonna use a 1/4 cup of baking soda and a 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. I have it on my hair and I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it out. Bam! I apologize. I totally did not film the rest of that video that day. The sun went down and I am using natural light, so we ran out of light. But I'm back a week later. I'm sorry again, but this is how it looks. So if you're looking for a way to lighten your blue hair without using bleach, this is it. Dawn dish soap and baking soda. Those ingredients together will lighten the freaking heck out of your hair. It is hard to wash the Dawn out because it's Dawn dish soap. So you just have to be really adamant about scrubbing it out, and your hair will feel pretty dry afterwards. Just use a good conditioner after, do a hair mask. But it worked!